Hey everyone, my name is Ryan and I'm the CEO and founder here at UpKeep. It is Release Friday, where we bring you the latest, greatest feature updates that our team has been hard at work on every single week. And this is a really exciting release from the entire UpKeep team, where we've made some big enhancements to both our web application and also our mobile applications. So let's start off with our web app release. Inventory management is absolutely essential to our customers. And in this release, we made it even better in UpKeep. This release focuses on improving the experience for customers who have inventory at multiple and separate different locations. So we've added a tab to make it easier to actually see where your inventory is at which location. So if you have multiple different plants, properties, locations, you can quickly find the parts you need to do your job even quicker. On top of that, we've also made significant improvements to our dashboard and analytics that's available to all of our starter, professional, and business plus customers. You'll see better metrics that provide better insights into how your maintenance team is operating as a new home screen in our analytics tab. All right, so that's our web app release. On top of that, we've also made a big mobile app release too. We've made it even easier for technicians to do their job out in the field using our mobile apps. That's one of the things that we absolutely obsess over here at UpKeep, is making the technician mobile experience so much better. So we absolutely obsess over making it easier to use, reducing the number of clicks and button presses it takes to do your job out in the field. So we've added the ability to very easily change assets with one click directly using our mobile apps. All right, that's enough of me talking. I'm going to pass the baton over to Alina from our team to share exactly how it works directly in UpKeep. Alina?
Thank you, Ryan, and thank you for watching today. I'm Alina. I'm joining in from the product team, and let's dive into UpKeep. So the first feature that we'll look at is our new inventory list for parts. And in order to get to this area, we want to make sure that we head on over to our settings page and go to parts and inventory under the module section and ensure that we've enabled parts with multiple inventory lines. From there, we'll head on over to parts and inventory, and now you'll see a new inventory tab here. So I think the biggest takeaway here is that the new inventory tab is a new tab which lists out every single inventory line that exists in an account. But the thing is that with parts right now, it isn't really telling me specifically how many parts are in a specific location and what the issue is at the location. So say even if I wanted to filter at factory 1, it's still tough for me to know, hey, which one is actually out of stock, even though I see that there's 4 inventory lines. I'm only able to do so once I click here and I can see, oh, hey, it's factory 1, right? So now with the new inventory tab, all I need to do is click here and I can filter by factory 1. And now I can see, hey, rotor, we're out of stock. And I can also select it and create a purchase order right away. All right, and moving on to the second feature, we have something very exciting, our new analytics dashboard. So with this, the purpose of this dashboard is really to give whoever is the consumer of this data a high-level overview of how well your team is taking advantage of the UpKeep application and a tool as a whole. It's mostly concerned with, are you creating work orders in UpKeep? And just how is your data hygiene? And are your users active, not so active, things like that. And it's mainly to give a pulse on, just making sure, are your teams executing on those work orders? And ensuring that, hey, if you do manage to put in the data, that means you will reap the benefits of those insights. You can't do reporting that tells you which assets are your biggest problem assets if you're not assigning assets to your work orders in the first place, right? So these metrics just help with that. And yep, just a quick recap, but this is just a simple glance that tells you how well your team is adopting UpKeep as a tool. So have fun exploring this. And then our last feature is actually both on iOS and Android. And I love this because now we have the ability to directly update what asset is associated to our work order straight from the mobile device to ensure accurate reporting. So let's just say I wanted to look at this work order because I really need to change one of my assets. So now all you have to do is click on the three dots next to the asset and click change asset. And there you go. Now I can change it to the metal finishing machine. All right, and that's it. Back to you, Ryan.
Thanks so much, Alina. The entire team has been hard at work just building more products that deliver more value to you, our customers. We're really excited to see and hear what you think of our newest product releases. So go to UpKeep, check it out. Let us know what you think. My email is ryan@upkeep.com. And I actually do my best to try to respond to every single customer email that I get. So thank you to the entire UpKeep team. Thank you to all of our customers for continuing to push us to build better products that support you. We've got even more releases in the pipeline, and I'll see you next Friday. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.